Kini kiparlo jong agi bele sound.
These friends of mine who are sound engineers here,
Mas oi ki ngam tep ni nyala Siew kadnu ya pi.
I said to them, I don't know how much we can pay you.
Ki balai lai sing kadnu ngalawan Siew pi.
So doing the lights, I said to them, I don't know how much I can pay you.
Ngim dan ye.
We have nothing.
Tamba kani kadi utrai upawan le pi long la koloi ne manwan.
Then I said to them, this is what the Lord has spoken to me. Are you ready to help us?
Ki bale ek stage ki bale
So
ki
the stage,
ki chaka le shabar ki toilets.
so making constructing the toilets,
Shuki
the chairs.
utrai wan ra ki brio.
God just brought people.
Mas ong utrai ko bale shibot.
Then back then I said, God, thank you very much.
Shibot.
Thank you very much.
Pani honor ye pi baro ki bale ni.
And I want to honor all of you who are present here.
Ki la shim.
We have taken
Ini ngeling kor.
this yoke.
Lala ka jong jing la shopi.
You have done your own roles and
Lawan
responsibilities.
the
You have come here,
kami jung ikan em.
and I know a land will know